Hi, my name is John, and I'm a sous chef at Umi Japanese restaurant. I'll be making tuna by tuna roll today, and I'll show you how to make it. So first, you put seaweed in the sushi rice, which is 3 ounce to 3.5 ounce. You flip it. Now we're gonna make spicy tuna. With some sesame oil, kobachi sauce, and this is spicy tuna. And I'm gonna put some cucumber strips, some spicy tuna, I'm gonna roll it up. I'm gonna slice some tuna on top. Say like 4 pieces. Use this bamboo to press it. And cut these into 8 pieces. So middle here. Yep, this is a roll. And then I'm gonna get onto plating. With some sesame oil. And kobachi sauce. And this is a black tobiko, which is a fish roll. I'm gonna put this on top. Yep. And there's some chives here. It's garnishing here. Put some red radish. Some pea shoot. And ginger here. Wasabi here. Finishing. Some market. Yep, this is a roll, tuna by tuna.